The recommended settings for backing up to an implement are speed setting 1, reactivity setting high 3, engine RPM idle or operator's choice, 4-wheel drive off, cruise control off, preset cruise control off, anti-stall off. The recommended settings for loader work in open quarters are speed setting 2, reactivity high 3, engine RPM greater than 1800, 4-wheel drive on, cruise control optional, preset cruise control off, anti-stall on or optional. The recommended setting for finish mowing are speed setting 1, reactivity high 1, 2, or 3, engine RPM rated, 4-wheel drive optional, cruise control optional, preset cruise control off, anti-stall on or optional. Now take the information you've learned and experience firsthand the comfort, convenience, and excitement of the Boomer 8N with Easy Drive CVT.